Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look that I did for New Year's Eve. So let's start with foundation. This is still my favorite foundation. I can't let it go. It's the one I keep going back to. I apply with a brush first and then I blend it out with a beauty blender or Real Techniques brush, something like that. Yeah, the Real Techniques one. And for my eyebrows, I use this Wet n Wild brow kit. Everything that you're going to see in this video, guys, is going to be pan because it's literally what I use the most. I use the darker color sometimes on my tail, but for the most part, that brown color is the color that I use the most. I barely buy makeup anymore just because I kind of have my go-to looks that I do, like I'm showing you guys now, and my classic colors that I use. So if I do buy makeup, it's to replace something that I ran out of. Like in this video, I did try out this concealer and I didn't like it. It was horrendous. I was trying to replace my old Urban Decay one, and I could have just stuck with my CoverGirl one because it wasn't it. And then I don't know if I can return. I threw out the box. So makeup is expensive, y'all. It's fucking expensive. Anyways, so I'm gonna be setting my face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. If there's anything expensive that you definitely want to get for your skin, it's this. Girl, this is what you need in your life. The MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm going to get, after I run out of my contour color, the Too Faced one, I'm going to get the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in my contour shade. Because I love this powder. I loves it. It looks so natural and it just melts into my skin. So I'll be skipping the cream contour today, and I do that when I'm in a rush or just don't feel like doing cream contour. But mainly, it's because I'm lazy. Okay, that's the goddamn truth. So, and it's a lot more forgiving doing the powder contour, especially for my nose, because sometimes I should be coming out fucked up. And my sister's always fucking laughing at me. She be saying I look like a clown because it's just so harsh, those lines sometimes. So I have been skipping the cream contour on my nose, but I'll cream contour on the rest of my face. All right, so to bake my face, I'm going to be using the Sasha Buttercup Translucent Powder. And I do this actually after the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but in this video, I did contour first. I don't know why, but I went back in and contoured some more. So, I mean, it didn't affect anything. But just so you guys know, I do the baking after the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And then I contour. So, are any of you guys dating right now? Because your girl is taking a break. I just feel like with COVID and everything, I just need to be worried about myself. I have too much. There's just too much going on this year that the last thing I want to do is get my heart broken, you know? I just can't be worried about someone else right now, you know? Anyways, let's get back into the video. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semi Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette. I just put mousse all over my lid. And then I'm going to take truffled, the dark brown color, under my eye, like so, like that. Now, to deepen the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to take truffled again. So I'm just doing that on the outer V, and I'm going back and forth, blending, adding, you know, that good stuff until it looks how I want it to. So this is still the truffled color, the dark brown color. I'm just going in with a penciled brush for more precision. And I'm blending it out a little bit more. And the last color that I'm going to use is the color Coconut Cream. It's like an off-white color, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid and then slightly blend out the edges of that. And that's been my eye look. And to clean things up, oh, sorry guys, I'm going to use the translucent Sasha powder just to clean up under my eye. This is my, what is it called? Dummy proof liner. This is the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner. It's a felt tip. I'll show you guys. That's what it looks. Alright, so when I do my liquid liner, guys, I don't know, the last time I did it, I felt like I went a little too low. So I'm gonna go a little bit. So I'm gonna look straight ahead. That's how I do it. I look straight ahead. And then, you know where your, obviously the tip of your eye ends? I'm gonna go a little bit above that and go straight up. Wish me luck. If I fuck this shit up, I'm gonna cry. Alright. It looks like it's a little too fucking high, bitch. Alright, it looks a little high, but I'm just gonna go down. So after I make the line like that, yeah, this is why I don't do makeup tutorials. Alright, so after I make the line like that, I just go down like this. Whatever, if I fuck up this look, it's fucked up. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna have one liner looking good and then the other looking horrendous, but yeah, that liner looking a little too high, bitch. Alright, so let's go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna go back out and try to fix this shit. Alright, and then I'm gonna go down. Bitch. Alright. So don't go high like I just did like an idiot. I don't know why I did that. I don't know, I just looked a little low last time, but that was almost made my liner look like Ariana for a second. Ariana's old liner. Alright. That's pretty good. I didn't completely fuck it up, so that's good. Once that tail is done, I'm just gonna go into the inner corner. Alright, these are the lashes that I used when I did this look. These are Kiss Demi Wispies. I think it's Kiss. I believe it's Kiss. Or I Envy. I don't know, something like that, but it's the number one. And I'm going to use my favorite glue. Kiss. All right, where am I at? I'm gonna take this MAC palette. It has two skin finish highlighter thingies. I don't know, Snow Flushed and Oh Darling. I don't know which one was which, but I'm gonna take this one with like a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Yeah, I just like using a fluffy brush because it doesn't leave like a, you know, makes it smoother. Hope that makes sense. Let's bow before I fill it in. Alright, my loves, so last step for this makeup tutorial. This is my favorite lip combo at the moment. It's the Morphe matte lipstick in the color Main Squeeze and brown NYX lip liner. Love. I'm gonna set it with my favorite setting spray, Milani Make It Last.